In this particular video, we will be discussing how to build your capital for trading and investment. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. If you are a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be part of the Smart Trader family if you want to learn about Indian stock market. For additional services and personal training, you can WhatsApp our customer care number 7892652481 is the number. And if you want to open your trading account through us, Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking, or Alice Block, the link is in video description. So click the link and open your account. All right, so it's the beginning of the year 2021 January. So you would have seen how the markets are already going up all-time high, and it's going like a rocket right now. And everyone wishes that if they would have invested some money, or and many are wishing to invest right now. But the problem is, whenever we put our hand in the pocket, I mean, I don't have a pocket here, but when we put a hand in the pocket, we don't find money at the right time. So that is a problem which is causing a lot of people, even for me at times. When the time is the right time, we don't have the capital to invest. Now this problem is not only with you, this problem is with everybody. So for example, let's say you earn a salary of 10,000. You don't want to invest 10,000 rupees, because you know that if you invest 10,000, you get a very small profit, which doesn't make sense for you. So you say, I need at least 50k capital. So 50,000 capital is what you need. But imagine a person who's earning around 1 lakh rupees. So he will not settle for 50,000 capital. He wants 5 lakh capital. So both of them have to save the capital, and both of them will not have their capital just like this, because your income is 10,000 or 1 lakh rupees, but your capital requirement is higher, or your expectation is higher. So in anybody's cases, planning is very important for your capital. So to invest in trading or investment, you need a capital. For that, you need to plan in advance so that you will have your capital in the right time. So how can we plan this? See, first of all, before planning, you need to understand you need to have an income in the sense, maybe you're a salaried person, or maybe you are a businessman. But end of the day, you need an income, because for trading and investment, you need money to put first. So if you don't have that, there's no point. So that's the reason I always say you need to have a primary job or a business income, so that trading can be a secondary income. All right. And for the people who have these loans, I'm not saying home loan, but I'm saying personal loans, car loans, and high percentage loans. I would recommend you guys to first clear the loans, because every year you're spending 15%, 12 to 15% you're paying them. Instead, you could have made this 12 to 15%. So first try to clear this, because you're losing your money over there. So first try to clear this high interest loans. Home loan is something I understand, it's for 15-20 years, which you can't clear in one shot. But the small loans which you have taken, personal loan or car loans, first try to clear that, because that will save you a lot of money. So now let's take an example. So what is the plan? So this is my opinion and my thoughts. So do let me know what is your thoughts. So if you have a better idea, do let me know in the comments, so that we all can read and we all can grow together. Let's take an example of salary as 1 lakh rupees, because it's easy for number calculations. So imagine you have a salary of 1 lakh. So based on your salary, you can take a calculator and calculate. So imagine you have salary of 1 lakh rupees. Let's say you have a lot of expenses, your lifestyle is good, everything. I would say 60% of the money is more than enough. In case, a rare case, you have a lot of commitments, but for a normal person, I would say expenses is more than enough. 60% along with your rent, food, and everything. 16% of your income is more than enough. At least your 40% of your income can be saved to build your capital. So for a 1 lakh income what you receive, 40% is like 40,000 rupees. Now what we will do, this 40% of the money what we have kept aside, 60% you do whatever, but at least, yes, a lot of people can save up to 60%, 70% of the income. But on a practical note, not everybody can do that. So even few people cannot save 40% also. But on a general note, keeping a 40% is better than keeping 10% or 20% and then wasting 80% of your money. At least 40% if you invest, if you keep it aside for investment, it's well and good. So keeping this 40%, let's divide this 40% into 4 parts: 10, 10, 10, 10. So the first 10% I would keep it for mutual funds, because mutual funds are doing good. If you see the history of mutual funds, during corona time the funds had come a little bit down, but after that you see it's shooting up again above. So mutual funds has giving some amount better than your fixed deposit. So 10% of this 40%, 10% you can put in the 4 split. Okay, so 10% you can put in mutual funds, Next 10% you can put in intraday trading. Now for intraday trading, the problem is everyone put all their money in intraday trading. Always understand intraday trading has higher risk. You can lose your 100% money in intraday trading. So don't put all your money in one bucket. So mutual fund is has the risk is comparatively lesser. So maybe mutual fund you put 10%. The next 10% you'll put it for intraday trading. So 10,000 rupees for intraday trading. Next 10% you can put it for short term or swing trading, or I would say long term trading. Put in a stock and expect the stock to go up in another 6 months or 1 year or 2 year, or maybe you are ready to wait for 10 years. So you're planning to invest in a company. So 10% of the money, or 10,000 rupees example, you can keep it for your short-term swing trading or long-term trading. And the last 10% you can use it for real estate, because you know real estate is also a booming area and you cannot buy one shot. You will not have all the money. So the money what you save here, you can use it to buy an asset, or you can invest in gold or any other asset. End of the day, it should be an investment. So this is the 4 split what I have done for this 40%. So first one is mutual fund. Every month you're putting 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So end of the year, let's say 12 months, you have saved, in this example, 1,20,000 is your capital of mutual fund. Now there can be profit on this or maybe a negative on this. Maybe a 1,20,000 has turned into 1,30,000 end of the year. But I'm just telling you, this is January 2021. Maybe after watching this video, if you start this, maybe in the 2022, maybe you'll have a capital of, for example, if your salary is 1 lakh, 1,20,000 is your mutual fund capital plus or minus your profit and loss. Same way, your intraday trading capital would have increased to 1,20,000 as an ideal example, and your long-term investments or short-term investment also capital has increased to 1,20,000. Your real estate or a fixed deposit or your gold, whatever you put the last 10%, also has reached to 1,20,000 investments. So overall, if you add, it's close to 4 lakh, 4,80,000 is your capital which you have saved from your income. Now this 4,80,000 rupees, if you wanted to suddenly put right now, if you want to put in a stock or in a share which is going up, which you know it's doing good, market is doing good, I'm sure you will not have this 4,80,000, or you would have not saved. Not many will save. So I am not sure you have this 4,80,000 to suddenly put on, or you will have a different commitments, right? So never use a commitment money. But if you do this planning step by step, every month you are increasing little by little, so that you don't see initially you may say, okay, 10,000, what will I get profit on this? But every month you're increasing it, and end of the year your capital has increased very big, which you cannot afford in a single month, right? So you have accumulated it. And now important thing is, if you incur any profits here, reinvest in these particular, so that instead of putting 10%, now your profit also you got, which you took out, maybe in intraday you book profit, put that money in a low risk. Let's say you're putting into your mutual fund bucket, or you're putting into your long-term bucket, where the risk is comparatively lesser to intraday, because intraday you can lose all your 1,20,000. But if you made a 50,000 profit on it, reinvest it in mutual fund or put it on a long term, rather than increasing your capital of intraday to 1,70,000. So keep a cap for intraday capital. Rest capital you can increase or keep investing, because the risk is comparatively lesser. Intraday, keep generating and keep investing, because you don't know, maybe you make 2 times the money, but after that you may lose all your money. So when you get money in intraday, always invest here and there, because remember, in intraday you cannot become rich. You can generate money, but if you don't use that money wisely, or you don't manage money wisely, you will not do anything in intraday trading. So that was one simple idea which I'm giving you guys, which I am also going to work upon myself, because you need to diversify your portfolio in different buckets, different risks. And yes, there are, if you can put more than this, it is fine. But end of the day, this is how you build your capital, and this is how a lot of people have built their capital step by step. It's not that somebody gave them a gift that they had so much of money of capital and they're trading today or investing today or doing swing trading or mutual funds. They are putting it step by step. So this is how we can grow our capital, and that's how when our capital grows, that's when you see your small profits also growing, right? So mutual fund, you're getting 10% on 1 lakh, one day you're getting 10% on 10 lakh, right? So rather than blaming, saying next month's salary I will not get much money, no use of investment, that is a disappointment here. Instead, if you save and plan it for, let's say, one stretch of till Jan 2022, I am sure your capital would have increased, and a habit of saving also will start. And the rest 60%, you may do your expenses, or you want to buy something, you want to go for a trip, or you have your other commitments. You will try to shrink and keep it at least your assets, and your assets can generate some revenue. So this was more of my thought and my opinion as per my experiences. Do let me know what is your opinion in the comments below, and also like and share this particular video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.